Welcome back to another video. If you're new on channel, Road Grip 7. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming video. The 2026 Toyota Tundra is shaping up to be one of the most advanced and capable full-size trucks on the market, bringing a perfect blend of power, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Known for its legendary reliability, the Tundra has been a favorite among truck enthusiasts and hardworking professionals for decades. With the 2026 model, Toyota is aiming to raise the bar by introducing bold design updates, refined performance, and a host of smart features that cater to both rugged off-road adventures and everyday utility. The first thing that grabs attention is the 2026 Tundra's refreshed exterior design. Toyota has given this truck a more muscular and modern look, with a wider stance and aggressive styling elements. At the front, the massive grille has been redesigned with bold patterns and is flanked by sleek LED headlights and integrated daytime running lights that provide a high-tech appearance. The bumper has been sculpted to enhance aerodynamics while still delivering a tough, commanding presence. Along the sides, strong character lines, flared wheel arches, and larger alloy wheel options emphasize its capability and strength. At the rear, the Tundra features updated LED tail lights, a power tailgate, and integrated bed steps, making access to the cargo area more convenient. The overall design reflects Toyota's commitment to building a truck that looks as powerful as it performs. Inside, the 2026 Toyota Tundra takes luxury and functionality to new heights. The cabin is more refined and spacious than ever before, with premium materials like leather, wood, and brushed metal used throughout higher trims. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive infotainment touchscreen that serves as the hub for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity, making it easy to stay connected on the go. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information to the driver, while available features like a premium JBL sound system, wireless phone charging, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof give the Tundra a truly upscale feel. Toyota has also prioritized storage, with clever compartments, large cup holders, and under-seat storage areas for maximum practicality. The 2026 Tundra's performance is where it really shines. Toyota is expected to continue offering its iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which pairs a twin-turbocharged V6 engine with an electric motor for impressive power and torque while improving fuel efficiency. This setup delivers exceptional towing capacity and strong acceleration, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks or weekend adventures. There are also rumors of a next-generation fully electric Tundra variant, which would bring zero-emission capability to the full-size truck segment. Both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations will be available, with advanced off-road features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and locking differentials on specialized trims such as the TRD Pro. Whether hauling a heavy load, towing a trailer, or tackling challenging terrain, the Tundra promises a confident and capable performance. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Tundra comes equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense. This suite of advanced driver assistance systems includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. Higher trims may also include advanced features like a 360-degree camera system, trailer sway control, and hands-free driving assist for highways. These safety enhancements ensure peace of mind for both work and family use. Practicality is another area where the 2026 Tundra excels. The truck bed is designed for heavy-duty use, with a durable composite lining, multiple tie-down points, and available power outlets for tools and camping gear. The rear seats fold flat to expand interior cargo space, and a split rear window allows for better ventilation during outdoor trips. With various cab configurations and bed lengths, the Tundra offers flexibility to suit a wide range of needs, from job sites to weekend getaways. In terms of competition, the 2026 Tundra goes up against heavyweights like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ram 1500. However, Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability, combined with modern features and hybrid technology, gives it a unique edge in this fiercely competitive segment. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, ensuring great value for buyers looking for a truck that delivers both performance and premium amenities. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Tundra is more than just a pickup truck. It's a versatile, powerful, and technologically advanced vehicle designed to